Hey guys, it's Miss Chester here again. I'm here to give you your week 2 video updates. Kind of crazy to think that we're in 2 weeks deep into learning online for English for Pupils 10. Um, and then it's another week that we aren't together, which sucks. And I miss you guys and I miss seeing you every day and learning with you. And so yeah, but we're gonna carry on, we're gonna persevere, and it will be great. Different for now, but great. So there's a few different things that I want to show you. Again, this will be a really quick update. As per usual, we're going to go on to Scalantis, so start.sc69.bc.ca. Mine always goes to the district, but my site looks a little bit similar to yours. So you can scroll down and find EFP 10 semester 2. So the first thing, it's the same thing that I'm going to plug to you every video, and is that every Tuesday we are going to have a check-in schedule. And so you can find that down here, English First Pupils 10 weekly sign-up, check-in, sign-up. I don't know, I always get twisted on that. And you just click there. This week is April 21st, which is absolutely wild. I can't believe we're almost done April. And you'll scroll down. My computer is freezing on me. So you're going to scroll down April 21st, and you'll see there's quite a few of you already signed up. And you'll just put your name in there. So I could say Miss Chester, who is a teacher and can totally spell her own name. And then if I want to call or video chat, once again, I am a teacher and I can spell. So yeah, these check-ins are really important, guys, because I'm going to remind you of what you need to be working on this week, deadlines that you need to kind of get caught up on. Check in, talk about how you're doing. I don't know about you, but I miss human interaction. So those are mandatory. It's really important to get signed up for those check-ins. Again, it's just for me to support you and to help keep you on track. So this Tuesday, April 21st, please, please, please go on and sign up on a Google Doc. Okay, so let's go back. So first thing is the weekly check-in. Second thing, what you should be working on this week. So the big push this week, guys, is going to be getting caught up on your missing assignments. Anything before spring break is absolutely mandatory. It has to get done, and that's all the way up to Pocahontas. So if you ever are unsure, go on your assignments. If there's an M on there, it means that the assignment's missing. If there's a C, it means it's complete. And if there's a grade, like a proficiency scale grade, then it also means it's complete. If you have any questions or you did hand in something to me and I don't have it, that's an important thing to bring up in your check-in with me so we can talk about it. And those of you, there's a few of you, I think, who is it? Jake's done Pocahontas, Josh has done Pocahontas, Rowan's done Pocahontas, Taylor K is done Pocahontas, Maddie's done Pocahontas, Lenny's done Pocahontas. So shout out to you guys, you're all done Pocahontas and you're ready to move on to the next thing. There's a couple of you who are doing independent projects and assignments that we've talked about. Again, really good time to check in with me if you're interested in pursuing a personal passion that you think we could link into English 10. Bring it up and check in because there's a few of you working on some really cool projects. But for those of you who are all caught up, you're all so for those of you who are all caught up, you're done your Pocahontas, everything in between, I'm going to show you how to access the new independent assignments. There is a video on this here, guys, on Scalantis, so you can skip what I'm saying right now and go straight to that. But you'll go on to assignments like you always have to find assignments for the course, and you are going to see the 3 independent projects and an alternate project, and that's for people who are working on other things for me. But you're basically, if you click on, say you want to start with a novel study, you'll go on here and you'll see, oh, that's not very much information. That's because I want to encourage you guys to not get overwhelmed by these projects. And so the way I've set it up is that when you schedule your check-in for me, you're going to tell me which project you want to start with. So you might say, okay, Miss Chester, I want to start with the novel study. And I'll be like, awesome. I have a Google folder for each of these projects that I'm going to share with you during our check-in, and then we're going to go over the materials together. This is just a way for me to one-on-one go through the assignment with you rather than you reading all the stuff and feeling really overwhelmed. I want to work through it together. So another big reason why checking in is really important, guys. So make sure you're getting that done. But yeah, so for those of you who are all done your Pocahontas again, shout out to you. This week you should be checking in with me and getting started on something new. What else? So make sure you sign up for your check-in on Tuesday, how to access new assignments, what you should be working on this week, which is getting caught up, finishing that Pocahontas essay. What else do I want to? Oh, yes, weekly writing opportunities. So remember, if you go to the top section here, there is the discussion page. And this week's writing opportunity was all about just kind of talking about how coronavirus, COVID-19 has impacted your life, kind of what you're doing right now, what you're missing, what you're enjoying, that kind of stuff. And these writing opportunities are just a really good way to A, get you guys to keep writing, and B, to interact with one another and see what other people are doing. So 9 of you posted for this weekly writing opportunity, which is awesome. For the rest of you, I would really, really love to see you getting on here this week. You could still comment on the how are you from week 1. Week 2's writing response is going to be focusing on goal setting. I know that a lot of you have emailed me or reached out on the phone and said, oh, Miss Chester, I'm really overwhelmed. All these teachers are throwing these things at me with deadlines, and I don't know what to do or where to start. And this is where goal setting comes in really handy. So there's a model called SMART, and I actually find it really helpful for me when I set goals. And no goal is too small, right? So it could be like, my goal is to make my bed today. Great. What do I need to do to make my bed? Well, first things first, I need to get out of bed. Which, let's be real, on Fridays I have been working from bed. That's like my new casual Friday. But just like how you can set goals in a way that makes them achievable, and then you're actually going to get to go through and set a goal for yourself for working on English 10 stuff. So it's not up there yet. I'm going to post it probably tomorrow, which is Monday. And then, yeah, I'd love to see more of you getting on here and taking part in the weekly writing opportunities. Again, to keep yourself writing and then to just see how your peers are doing, because we're all going through this in very different ways, but it would just be really cool to see us create a forum where we can kind of talk and go through it together like we were still in class. So yeah, recap really quickly for week 2. Sign up for your Tuesday check-in on the Google Doc. Working on getting caught up on all your missing assignments. If you are caught up on all your missing assignments, deciding which of the new independent projects you want to work on, and then I'll share the Google folder with you in our check-in and we'll go from there. And then the weekly writing opportunity, which will be at the top in the discussion forum. Oh yeah, and that's the video of how to access the project materials. Okay, so I think that's it for week 2, guys. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, chatting with you. Remember, just because Tuesday is our day to check in doesn't mean you can't email me, mchester@sd69.bc.ca. If it's too big for an email, send me an email and have me call you. I have a lot of my grade 12 students right now that I'm talking on the phone with on a pretty regular basis, almost daily, because they've got lots of questions, and that's awesome. I'm here for you guys. Yeah, so whatever you need, feel free to reach out. I hope you all had a great weekend and you're taking care of yourselves and you're enjoying spending some time with your family. I was outside today. We went on a nice hike. I got a new bike for my birthday. So we're out, we just bought a bike rack. So my partner is outside, just out there, putting our new bike rack on our SUV. So yeah. Again, I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.